Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Well, today we have something a little bit vintage. We have the vintage Lockwood 232 Lockout Tagout lock in use from the 1960s, and what you see before you, everything from here over to here, were all in use in the early 60s. These are all kid alike, and you don't have that many locks kid alike unless they're a lockout tagout lock, really. So it doesn't matter which one you pick up, it'll still pop it open. One key fits all. The other, apart from knowing that they were in use, because the person I got them from actually used them at their work in the early 60s, there's some other indicators on these locks that are telltale signs that they were used as a lockout tagout lock. And the first one is colour. These have had paint on them at some stage to show colour. They've also been numbered. This one's a blue one. Beautiful Lockwoods. They're 30mm by 30mm. Now this one, thanks to Port Springer, new old stock. This is what they look like straight from the factory. This is what they look like when someone has attempted to polish them up and take all the work crud off them. Quite a lot of discoloration on the shackles, so this one is quite dark compared to the other ones, so it was probably used in a different area of the factory. The other one I want to show you is this one. This is the long shackle version. Beautiful, beautiful padlock. And this one, the 232 AB. The AB is to do with the shackle length. Original box. $2,100 key changes. Ogden Industries. Unconditionally guaranteed. Beautiful all brass version. So you've got beautiful steel shackle and you've got the beautiful all brass. This is the key. Pretty good bitting. What a snap for a little fella. Just gorgeous. Tuesdays, hashtag it. Loto Lock Tuesdays for anything to do with lockout tagout locks. You can explore them, explode them, show them off, pick them, research them, find their history, whatever you want to tell us or show us about Lockout Tagout locks. Put the hashtag Loto Lock Tuesday so we can find your video. I'll compile a list of them, collect them all up, put them in a playlist on my channel so that all the Lockout Tagout locks videos for 2023 by Lock Sporters can be found easily in one place. This year I have a co-host joining me, the Sadistic Picker. Thanks very much. Appreciate you coming on board, mate. So I'll leave a link in the description below to their channel. Go check out their Loto Lock Tuesday video. They just love picking them, and they're about to learn a lot about Lockout Tagout locks by being part of this series. Anyone can be part of the series. Anyone can load a video up on a Tuesday to do with Lockout Tagout locks. And it doesn't even have to be a Tuesday. My Tuesday is your Monday. Your Tuesday is my Wednesday. So whenever you can, I'll find that if you got the hashtag, and I'll put it in the playlist. Once a month, we're going to draw a random from the list, and you win yourself a Master Lock 410 Lockout Tagout lock. Brand new. Hasn't even had a pick in it. Check out the Sadistic Picker. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.